In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on Taiga.io, one of the best open source tools for agile project management. Whether you're working with a team of developers, designers, or marketers, Taiga helps you stay organized, track progress, and improve collaboration. If you're new to agile workflows like Scrum or Kanban, or even if you're experienced, Taiga offers the perfect balance of simplicity and powerful features to support your projects. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with Taiga, including its standout features, why it's a fantastic tool for project management, and how you can set up and manage your first project effortlessly in 2024. But before we get started, what is Taiga.io? So it is a project management platform built specifically for agile teams. It provides tools and workflows that cater to methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, or even a hybrid of both. The platform was designed with flexibility in mind, making it suitable for technical teams like software developers, as well as non technical teams such as marketing or content creators. What sets Taiga apart is its open source foundation, which allows teams to fully customize the platform to fit their unique needs. It's ideal for teams of all sizes, from startups to large organizations, looking for a cost effective, intuitive, and collaborative way to manage their projects. So now let's get started. So simply visit the Taiga.io website and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you'll now be redirected to this page. So this is your project's dashboards. As you can see, it has a message right here that it feels empty. So you want to start working on Taiga, and you'll see here the stories, tasks, and issues you are working on. Now from here, what you want to do is simply click on new project, and we have the templates right here, such as a Scrum, a Kanban, can create a duplicate project or simply import a project. So let's say we want to create a Kanban. So click here on Kanban. Now we need to add a project name, let's say Kanban project. And we have the project description. I'm just going to add Kanban project for tutorial. So you can either select it to be a public project or a private project. So let's select the public and click on create project. And as you can see, this is how the Kanban from Taiga.io looks like. So from here, we have the table for new, for ready, in progress, ready for test, done, archived. So these are all of the tables available right here. So what we want to do now is click a new story or a new task. So let's say the subject is task number 1. Also add a tag if you want. We can add the descriptive text to help others better understand this user story. So let's say tasks for member 1. You can also add attachments right here, such as images, videos. And now we can select what is this story. So let's just select new. Now click on create. And as you can see, we have the new task right here or story right here. So to edit this, simply click on the story. We can select the user who is assigned right here. Click on add. So that's me. And also click on the task itself to view it. So as you can see, this is how it will look like. So this is the activities. We can also add comments right here. So let's say the task is already overdue. So we can type in a comment, overdue. Click on save. Now everyone in your team will see this comment that you have posted. So let's just go back. Now, if this is ready, we can always change it or drag it here in ready. Now, if it's already done and it's in progress, of course, we can always drag, drag, and drag if done. Again, you can always add new ones, also select or make the zoom more detailed or expanded. So if it's expanded, you will see how many watchers, how many members have watched this, or how many have commented. And that's how the Kanban for Taiga.io works. So we can also add our team members by clicking on team right here in the bottom left. As you can see, you are the product owner. I am the product owner. Click right here. So these are all of the team members of this project. We also have the settings right here. Say member. So you can see from here, you can add new members. Click here on new member in the top right. Just simply write the email of the member that you want to invite in this project, and they will be notified via email. And when they click on that email, they will be automatically redirected to Taiga.io and help you with this project. And basically, here are all of the settings for your project. You can see this project details, the name, the description. You can also add the tag. You can change your project logo. You have the presets right here also, which you can edit. The modules, export reports. From here, we have the attributes. So basically, this is just the design of your project. We have the points, priorities. Of course, we can add new priority right here. Let's say urgent. That can change the color to say black. I can go back to Kanban. And of course, we can always add that right here. Say edit card. And we can just from here, we can also have this features right here, such as block the item, your requirement, a team requirement. So basically, this is how you can use Taiga IO. This for Kanban. So you can explore more about using the Scrum template. So simply create an account, explore more about the features, and hopefully in no time you will now be able to use Taiga.io for your projects and for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.